Hello and welcome to our vlog. Wife and I went to Osaka to meet her family. From Mishima, we took the local train to Shizuoka to ride the Shinkansen. It takes around 2 hours from Shizuoka Station to Shin-Osaka Station via the Shinkansen. After lunch pa ang dating ng family ni Wifey, kaya we took this opportunity to meet with my ninong who brought us to Osaka Expo City. We booked an Airbnb near Dobutsu and Mae Station. And from there, after makapahinga ng family ni Wifey, ay nagpunta na kami sa Dotonbori. Hapon, paggabi, ang dating namin sa Dotonbori. Kaya naabutan namin ng with at without lights ang sikat na Glicoman, which is inspired by a Filipino athlete. Siyempre, expected na maraming tao sa Dotonbori. Maraming pwedeng gawin, maraming pwedeng makita, at maraming pwedeng kainin sa Dotonbori. Sa dami nga naming nakita at gustong kainin ay naging dinner na ang food trip namin dito sa Dotonbori. Hindi mawawala ang takoyaki, ice cream sa loob ng melon pan, at syempre, ang sikat na 10 yen coin na sikat dahil sa cheese pool na ginagawa namin. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga vlogs namin. Thank you! See you!